Hey there, I'm Paolo, a professional 3D artist with 9 years of experience. Currently, I'm freelancing and sharing my knowledge by teaching 3D graphics. Let's dive right in. I'm excited to present my latest tutorial series for beginners. Get ready to learn how to create your very own Beretta M9. The course is in English, but fret not. I've included subtitles in 11 different languages so you can easily follow along even if English isn't your native language, thanks to the very professional AI-generated subtitles. Throughout this series, we'll explore the concepts of topology in depth, tackling common challenges that beginners often struggle with. We'll discuss achieving top-notch topology, effectively utilizing Catmull-Clark subdivision surfaces, and knowing when to apply them. You'll discover edge loop management, techniques to enhance your topology through loop reduction, and the importance of maintaining square-shaped topology while avoiding overly dense or sparse areas. We'll also cover edge density and provide a brief introduction to bump mapping, normal mapping, parallax mapping, and displacement mapping, discussing their pros and cons. Additionally, I'll walk you through a shape study series on topology designed to help you grasp the basics in a simple and approachable way. This course is tailored for beginners and focuses on the exterior parts of the gun without delving too deeply into its internal mechanisms. I recommend taking this course once you feel comfortable with modeling tools. While I'll offer detailed explanations at the beginning, as you become more proficient with Modo's tools, I'll streamline the explanations. In addition to the main courses, you'll receive reference images and links to the plugins used. Although I'll be demonstrating using native Modo 17 tools, I'll also include bonus videos that address any incomplete or incorrect areas in the gun model. This course is designed to help you elevate your skills from a beginner to that of a self-sufficient 3D artist, all while using Modo 17. The fundamental techniques covered in this course are applicable to any 3D software out there. While techniques may vary across software like Maya, 3ds Max, or Blender, the core techniques remain consistent. So, if you're ready to enhance your skills and master top-notch topology, come along on this journey with me. Whether you choose to take the leap or not, the decision is entirely yours. Let's dive right in, and that's a wrap.